In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and organize your expenses on QuickBooks efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner keeping track of purchases or an individual trying to organize personal finances, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a user-friendly interface designed to simplify your accounting tasks. QuickBooks is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your finances, and understanding how to navigate it is crucial. Now, let's get to the core of today's tutorial. Locate and click on the tab labeled Expenses. You should see this option on the main dashboard. This section is your go-to for all your financial outflows. Every dollar spent can be recorded here, making it easier to track and review your expenditures. Once you're in the Expenses section, pay attention to the options provided. Near the top of the page, there's a drop-down box that allows you to filter and manage your records. Click on this drop-down box to view the list of options available. These options might include categorizing expenses, sorting by date, or managing vendors, each one giving you a more detailed view or organization of your financial data. Choose wisely based on what you hope to achieve, as using these features can help streamline your accounting process significantly. If you found a transaction or entry that is outdated or erroneous, deleting it might be necessary to keep your records accurate. Scroll down to find the specific entry you wish to remove. Once located, move your mouse over the entry and you'll find additional options in a drop-down menu. In this menu, you can take actions such as editing or deleting the entry. For this tutorial, we're focusing on deletion. Go ahead and click on Delete. Be cautious with this action, as deleting an entry is permanent and can't be undone easily. Always verify that the entry you are removing is indeed the correct one. To wrap it up, managing expenses on QuickBooks is a straightforward task once you're acquainted with the system. Remember, regular review and cleanup of your financial data can prevent accounting errors and maintain accuracy in your reporting. It can be incredibly satisfying to know that your financial information is organized and up to date. That way, when tax season rolls around or you simply need a report, everything is ready at your fingertips. And there you have it, a simple yet complete guide to managing your expenses through QuickBooks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for tuning in today and happy accounting.